It's a '04 Acura TSX. Is a manual transmission. This is the clutch fluid cylinder, and the fluid is all dirty. Last time I checked it, I'll show you. It's all black, so you need to change it. It's no good. The bleeder valve is down there. The bleeder valve is right there, next to it. So I'm going to try to get to it. Not much room. The only way to do it is take out the battery, and so you have more room. So let's do it. It's the 10 mm. Okay, I take the whole tray out. Here is another 10 mm. Move this out of the way so you won't get to it. There's a bleeder valve here. See that? There's a bleeder valve. Hey, think of the butt. You need 2 hands to remove this. Like 8 mm, not the 10. Yep, it's 8 mm. So loosen it, counterclockwise. Okay, loosen it. Loosen it. Eventually I can get some. Just keep pumping. Get all the dirt. While pumping, make sure you add some fluid on it. And don't make it run dry. I'll just keep pumping, and all of the fluid is clear, and all the so dirty here. See it? The fluid's all clear. So I stop it. Yeah, add some fluid on it. And cover it. I have a wrench here, and I keep pumping, and then I need to tighten the screw. Okay. See how dirty it is? All black. Next thing to do is check the clutch. Check the clutch. Feel solid? Okay. And make sure you put this back, don't forget.